Hey everyone, welcome back to TechOpium. Today, we're diving into the Moto G54 Power Edition, the latest budget offering from Motorola. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our tech reviews. Now, let's get started. Motorola has a reputation for crafting excellent budget devices, and today we're taking a close look at the Moto G54 Power Edition. This device adds some exciting features like an auto-focusing ultra-wide camera and a hefty 6,000 mAh battery. Stick around as we explore what makes this phone stand out in the crowded budget smartphone market. But before we dive into the details, let's check out what's inside the box. The Moto G54 Power ships in a simple, eco-friendly cardboard package. Inside, you'll find a 33W fast charger, a USB Type-A to Type-C cable, and a transparent TPU case. Motorola has made sure you have everything you need to start using your new device right away. Now let's talk about the design. The Moto G54 Power sports a traditional look with a plastic build. It comes in three colors: midnight blue, pearl blue, and mint green. While the midnight blue may not be the most exciting, the color-matched elements, like the camera island and buttons, add a touch of flair. The phone is water-repellent, providing an extra layer of protection. Despite its 6.5-inch display and a massive 6,000 mAh battery, the Moto G54 Power feels surprisingly light at 192 grams. The plastic construction doesn't compromise on build quality, offering a sturdy frame with no noticeable flex. The phone also features Motorola's water-repellent design, adding durability. Moving on to controls, the Moto G54 Power follows the standard layout with a power button and volume rocker on the right side. The power button doubles as a fingerprint reader, providing quick and accurate biometric access. The left side houses the SIM tray with support for dual SIMs via eSIM. In terms of connectivity, the Moto G54 Power supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3 NFC, and even an FM radio receiver. Availability may vary by market. Its 5G capability and a range of positioning support, including GPS and GLONASS, make it a well-connected device. Now, let's talk about the 6.5-inch LCD display. While it lacks the vibrancy of an OLED panel, the Full HD Plus resolution keeps things sharp. However, the brightness might not be sufficient for outdoor use, and there's noticeable smearing and ghosting during scrolling, typical of LCD panels. One of the standout features of the Moto G54 Power is its massive 6,000 mAh battery. In our testing, it delivered an impressive active use score of 14 hours and 50 minutes, providing excellent battery life for a budget device. When it comes to charging, the Moto G54 Power supports 33W fast charging, allowing for around 50% charge in just 33 minutes, a convenient feature for those on the go. Now let's talk software. The Moto G54 Power runs on Android 13 with a near-stock experience, complemented by Motorola's proprietary features. The clean interface ensures a smooth user experience. Moving on to the camera setup, the Moto G54 Power features a 50MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide with autofocus for macro shots, and a 16MP selfie camera. While not groundbreaking, the camera system offers versatility for its price range. Wrapping up our review, the Moto G54 Power delivers a satisfactory experience with some notable features like the impressive battery life, 128Hz display, and a versatile camera system. However, the LCD panel's limitations and the choice of the Dimensity 7020 chip might make you consider other alternatives in this price range. And that's a wrap for today's review of the Moto G54 Power Edition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more tech reviews and hit the bell icon for notifications. Until next time, this is Osman signing off. Thanks for watching.